Hey, I remember this part. Took a little pit stop with Mills here. She thought she was a model or something. Gonna climb up in the rock and stuff. Pretty cool, huh? Nice little shade. Nice little shelter. Feel like a water break. You know what? Maybe a good time for a water break. We got 24 minutes. Actually 20. Wish I had my my Camelback with me. So I don't keep taking off my backpack. I gotta stay hydrated, baby. That good old water. Water. Pinky out. Oh yeah. Just a little sippy sip. And here's my pack. I put my gun. I got like 3 gun safes in there. I have some weight and water, some other stuff. I don't know, what, about 20, 30, 40 pounds. I don't know. But something's better than nothing. I wanted to buy a weighted vest at Walmart. I think it was like 50 pounds, 75 pounds. But they wanted like $125 for it. I was like, nah, bruh. You know, I'm just like my father, Renaissance man. So, you know, Jerry Wig something. Save my money. And got this backpack from Academy. So it holds up pretty good. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna stop being so tactical and wear some damn shorts next time so I can fucking bend my legs. I guess I was trying to be like you know who and look cool and tactical, but it's kind of slowing me down a little bit. Nah, I'll go this way. I don't know if you guys ever seen the movie Premium Rush. The bicycle dude in New York, and he would drive his bike through New York City as a courier or whatever, a bike messenger. And he would a yellow line would show up on the screen and like figure out the little best route or whatever. And that's how I kind of feel when I do these trails, like a little yellow line or whatever pops up and tells me which way to go. Ugh. See? Easy breezy. And I remember this path right here. So. Ooh, nice little breeze. Another little cave, little shelter. There's some Indians or something back in the day used them. Way back in the day. And a lot of vegetation out here, so you know there's some wildlife. I haven't really seen anything besides a couple with squirrels or rabbits or chipmunks. Haven't seen any snakes. But you know what I'm saying, be careful. It's getting cooler now, so they might be out. Summertime they'll go and hide in little rocks and shit. And going the right way, cause I remember going through these two trees before. Actually, I think I took a couple pictures here. And we're almost there. See that rock right there where it lays right here, and it's like this, but then there's like a hole over it. That's where we're going, and then from that point you can take it down, and I guess that's where angel carving or whatever to do is something about over there. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but I think I'm gonna go to the very top where you guys can see the view, and I like being up there. A little scared every time I go up there, but I love that view. So, and again, I'm out in I'm gonna sweat on my camera a little bit. Hold on 1 second. It's waterproof, so it shouldn't sweat, but I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, near the Summerlin area. This canyon is called Red Rock. You can actually go in the park. It's like $10, $20 to get in. It gives you access to another one of my favorite trails called Icebox Canyon. Shout out to Jonathan for recommending it to me. It's beautiful. You hike and there's like a waterfall or a little like a pond or whatever, and it's actually 2 little pools. And my dumbass self, I have my tablet and my phone, and I'm 6'9", and I thought, you know what I'm saying, I could get my feet wet a little bit to go to the pools. And nah, bruh, fucking fell in. My phone and my tablet got wet, damaged. So swimming in bat guano and stuff, it went all the way up to my chest, and I'm a tall dude, so that's how deep it was. Red Rock Park. There's other little trails you can do. The only downside about it is only one way. So once you enter, you have to travel all the way inside like a big circle, and then going around the circle, it's like fucking 35-40 minutes. So that's the only downside about it. I'm gonna go to the left. My boy Napoleon Harrington, me and him went out here and his ass was moving. Like, we probably went all the way to the peak to my right and then back in like under an hour or 45 minutes. He pushed me because I'm competitive, but he's, what I'm saying, super competitive as well. Actually, he's probably one of the most competitive people I've ever met. So he was getting it, and it inspired me, motivated me to keep up. But he dusted me though. Yeah, this is another route I take. It's kind of cool. I like it. You get out the shade. Should have walked up here. Like, again, these damn cargo pants. I can't get mobility and flexibility like I want. Yeah. But I'm gonna make it do what it do. Whew. Feels good, man. And I recommend, I don't know what's out here. Mountain lion, whatever, wolf, coyote. Recommend bringing a knife or a gun. I'm carrying a gun today, Glock 43. Shout out to Fernando Hermosillo for recommending it. He went in fucking put lasers and flashlights on it. Pew, pew, pew. On his. Yeah. I saw something move over there. Right there. It's like a squirrel or chipmunk. I don't know if you can see it. But I mean, hey, there's prey and food sources here. You don't know what's out here.